students of 10th standard. So as you know, we started chapter number 5, arithmetic progressions. Question number 1, 2, 3, we complete this. Now today I am going to explain question number 4 of exercise 5.1. It's important as a 2 marks question can be asked from this. 2 marks. So what is the topic? Which of the following are APs if they form an AP? But here, which of the following are APs? We have to check is it AP or not. If there is an AP, what we have to do? We have to find the common difference as a D. Common difference D you have to find out and write the 3 more terms. First question is check AP or not. Second, if AP is there, then we have to find the common difference D and we have to write more 3 terms. No, like as first part is 2, 4, 8, 16. So it means we have to consider this A1, A2, A3, A4. We can show here also A3, A4. No, what we have to do, we have to check the AP or not. That way we cannot say D. So A2 minus A1, that is 4 minus 2, 2. Then A3 minus A2, that is 8 minus 4, that is 4. Next is A4 minus A3, that is 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. In this way it is shown, means more can be, but we have only up to 4 terms, so we have to see. Or no, this is same as first question also. If you have to find just there, or then we have to say what in this, what we have in this AN plus 1 minus AN. I explained to you this how the AN plus 1 or AN is there. So here is 1, then 1 plus 1, 2. Same we had N is 2, so then is N plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, 3 we got. In this AN plus 1 minus AN is not same every time. So in each case we can say take a same every time. Every time. Therefore, यहाँ पे से बना देंगे. Therefore, this list of numbers does not form an AP. Does not form an AP. So what is that? If AP, then find common difference. So AP we haven't got that, so we will not write the common difference, or we will not write the more 3 terms. So question is stopped here by us. We will not do the next part of this question. If AP, then we have to solve. Suppose no. One more question. If then we will get, then I will show to you. Otherwise, this one so I made it clear to you. So in each there are 15 parts of this question. So if any you got the same AN plus 1 minus AN, then you can say forms an AP, or then how to do the next. I will explain now. Start. And now we will discuss question what is the second part. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 and so on. Again we have to do the name A1, A2, A3, A4. Then we have to find A2 minus A1. That is we got half. A3 minus A2, again 3 minus 5 by 2, again by taking LCM. Some students have problem to take LCM also. LCM will come same as this denominator. Then here is 1. Then LCM divided by the denominator. 2 will come, 2 into 3, 6. Once I explained to you, okay? Same way here. 2 divided by 2, 1 will come, 5 into 1, 5 will come. That's it also half we got. A4 minus A3, 7 by 2 minus 3. Then solve it, and you will get also half. So what is in this? We have AN plus 1 minus AN is same every time. Therefore, since we can put therefore, given list of numbers forms an AP. ठीक है जी, ये AP. So no, in first part we got does not form an AP. No AP is there. Next this side, if AP, then find the common difference. So what is the common difference? D is equal to A2 minus A1. Already we calculated formula to show to you. I written here. That is 5 by 2 minus 2. 2 LCM 5 minus 4. That is half. So common difference is half. Then this set. Write 3 more terms. Now A4 to we have. It means we have to find A5. First we find A5, 3, A5, A6, A7 we have to calculate. So for this what is there? A plus, what is there? N minus 1, then you get 5 minus 1, 4 will come. 1 less from this number, A plus 4G. What is A? So here you can write A also. What is in this list of numbers? 2. So 2 plus 4 into D, D is half. This 2. Then what will come? 2 plus 2, that is 4. तो A5 हमारे पास क्या बन गया? 4 बन गया. ठीक है जी. Next is A6. A plus 5D, that is 2 plus 5 into half. And we can say 2 plus 5 by 2. Next we have to take LCM and then we have to solve it. Okay. No. Next what will come? LCM is 2. Then 4 plus 5 will become 4 plus 5 by 2. LCM is 2. No, this is 9 by 2. You have your pass A6 down. No, sorry, not 5, 6 because 5 already we calculated. No, A7. A plus 6D. That is 2 plus 6 into half. 2, 3. That is 2 plus 3, 5. So like this we got 3 terms, A5, A6, A7. At last, hence 3 more terms are which are 4, 9 by 2 and 5. These are next 3 terms. This one answer fully. तो ये था आपका सेकेंड पार्ट. इसमें क्या था कि AP बन रही थी और मैंने कहा कि अगर AP है तो कॉमन डिफरेंस लिखो. फिर हमें A भी चाहिए था फर्स्ट टर्म, दैट्स वी शोन है फर्स्ट टर्म आंसर. देन A4 terms was given, A5, A6, 7. Calculator at last you to write it this way. No, there are let us say 15 parts. अब हम लेंगे फिफ्थ पार्ट. This is different. ठीक है जी. As you know beta, we will discuss question 1. Same that fifth part. What is in this? 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 means each time when you see the coefficient of root 2 is going to be increased, means जैसे 1, 2, 3 ऐसे बन रहा है. तो यहाँ पे 1, 8, 3, 4 we have to write. Then same we have to find a2 minus a1, 3 plus root 2 minus 3. 3 cancel because 3 minus 3 0 will become root 2. No, a3 minus a2. Here still space or maximum phase problem. So here a3 plus 2 root 2 minus. Then please write in bracket 3 plus root 2. Then open the bracket. This as it will come 3 plus root 2, or then this minus 3 minus root 2. Then 3 cancel. Now here what we have to subtract the coefficient of root 2. We can say it is 2, it is 1. That is 2 minus 1. 1 will become root 2 will come. Means in this way there comes. Once I explain, next time I will not explain this one. और ये हमारे पास 2 minus 1 और root 2 हमने कॉमन कर लेना है. और then this 2 minus 1 will become 1. और we can say root 2. Simply this. इसलिए root 2 बन गया हमारे पास. ठीक है. A4 minus A3 से आ गया. फिर से minus 3 plus ब्रैकेट खोल दिया. minus 3 minus 2 root 2 बन गया. 3 फिर से कैंसिल हो गया. और then 3 minus 2 that is 1 root 2. तो see here also root 2 root 2 root 2. ठीक है. So we got here an plus 1 minus n is same every time. Therefore, what will you say? Given list of numbers forms an AP. Numbers forms an AP. When it is what is required. Next 3 terms also common difference also required. So common difference is A2 minus A1 already we calculated, but we have to show how to find common difference because firstly there is no AP. ठीक है से no. B is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 हमारे पास 3 root 2, A1 का G. Hence that is root 2. Like this we got G root 2. और first term 3. ये होगा हमारा second part. No. We find A5. That is A plus 4D. A is 3, 4 or D is root 2. So this answer is A5. A6, A plus 5D. This already explained to you. If there are 5, then we have 4. If 6, then will be 1 less as coefficient of D. 3 plus 5 root 2. After this we cannot add as it will come. No A7. That is A plus 6D. That is 3 plus 6 root 2. Like this one. At last we have to say the 3 terms are. Next 3 terms are. Has thus anything you can say? One minute. Thus 3 terms are 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2. Answer.